crystal clear down there today. I don't think I've ever been able to see the bottom so well. Let's see if there's any herring hanging out in here. Give a shot for herring. It's super low tide here, so I'm not hoping for much. Plus I don't see any scales on the deck here, so haven't seen or heard of anyone catching herring yet. Alright, I'm gonna try for herring again. I don't see any scales on the deck, so might not be good, but and also I'm in the middle of the day when it's sunny out. Usually not a great time for herring, but I've caught them at midday too. Alright, it's December 5th. Gonna try the ocean surf again. I've been seeing a couple seals out here. It's probably not good for the bass fishing, but what that could mean is that there's herring, you know, in the surf here, and I actually brought my herring setup with me down to the beach here. I'll try it here in the surf. The water's pretty calm to work a sabiki rig. I don't think I've ever gotten herring in the open ocean surf before, so that'd be cool. There we go. There's a fish. A terrible size schoolie. There he goes. Alright, so the red diamond jig was the ticket. Alright, well I was gonna make this my last morning targeting bass, you know, for the year here, but now that I caught a fish, I might try it again, you know, later this week. But yeah, primarily I'm just gonna be herring fishing through December, with a little freshwater too. White perch I don't normally target till like February, March. The bite is better for them. But anyway, thanks for watching. If you enjoyed, please like and subscribe and ring that bell for notifications on future content. I'll see you all in the next video.